Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. Today we're diving into a fascinating AI tool called Deep Nostalgia. This platform allows you to animate old photos, making them come to life in a way that feels almost magical. But how does it compare to other similar tools like Hedra? And what can Deep Nostalgia really be used for? Let's find out. Deep Nostalgia is an AI-powered tool developed by MyHeritage. It's designed to animate still photos, giving the subjects subtle movements like blinking, smiling, or turning their heads. The primary goal is to bring old family photos to life, allowing you to see your ancestors in a new, dynamic way. It's especially popular among people interested in genealogy and history, but its appeal extends to anyone looking to add a unique touch to their photos. So how does Deep Nostalgia stack up against a similar tool like Hedra? While both platforms allow you to animate photos, they serve slightly different purposes. Deep Nostalgia focuses on personal, sentimental animations, often used for historical or family photos. It's perfect for those who want to see a lifelike version of their ancestors or revive old memories. On the other hand, Hedra offers a broader range of applications. It's designed not just for animating photos, but for creating lifelike talking head videos, making it a more versatile tool for marketing, social media content, or entertainment. While Hedra might be more suitable for dynamic content creation, Deep Nostalgia shines in its simplicity and focus on personal history. So what can you use Deep Nostalgia for? One of its most common uses is to breathe life into old family photos, allowing you to see ancestors as if they were alive today. This can be particularly moving for people interested in genealogy or preserving family history, but the applications don't stop there. Deep Nostalgia can also be used in educational settings, bringing historical figures to life in classrooms or museums. Imagine seeing a photo of a historical figure come alive, making history feel more real and engaging. Additionally, it's a fantastic tool for artists and creators who want to add an extra layer of depth to their work by incorporating animated photos. Why should you choose Deep Nostalgia over other animation tools? First, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any advanced technical skills to animate a photo, just upload it to the platform, and Deep Nostalgia does the rest. Second, it offers a unique way to connect with the past, turning static images into living memories. Finally, unlike some other tools, Deep Nostalgia is specifically optimized for animating old photos, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to revive their family history. In conclusion, Deep Nostalgia is a powerful yet simple tool that offers a unique way to bring old photos to life. Whether you're interested in genealogy, education, or just adding a personal touch to your memories, Deep Nostalgia makes it easy. While it may not have all the features of a tool like Hedra, its focus on personal history and ease of use make it a standout choice. Thanks for watching AquaPlatycodon. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.